Hello guys, guess what? Yep, that's right. I purchased a camcorder today. I got this from Best Buy for about $195 with a price match. Without the price match, it's $200. It's a Sony Handycam. Reason why I got this is because the female thread thing on the bottom of my HX80 where you put the tripod, it's very worn out, so I can't really put it on the mount anymore. And I don't want to have to hold the camera while doing road trip videos. So I got this camcorder specifically for road trip videos and maybe my future trip reports. I did have this camcorder before about a year and a half ago, but I returned it because I thought I wasn't going to need it again. But this time I think I'm going to keep it. It's a very good camcorder. It's a Sony CX405 and it films very well and very smoothly. So here it is. We got our instructions and we're going to, alright, and here are the pieces for it. I have 3 Type X batteries now. And I also purchased a 128 gigabyte SD card with this. That was only $40 with a price match. Regular price was $60. If I can just take this out somehow without dropping it. Okay, there we go. And let me take the camcorder out. Being very gentle with it. And here it is. And that was the unboxing video. Thank you for watching. And I'm gonna stop the video here. And that'll be all.